So from the factory, and these things are brand new, all of them, the 1000s, the 900s, turbos, RS1s, whatever you got, the wheel bearings have a thin layer of grease in them. And I know this because I replace tons of wheel bearings every day on these machines when they come in. So what you have to do is pull the axle nut, pull the brake caliper off, and then pull your hub. Then you have to have one of these handy little tools. It's a 44 millimeter bearing greaser. I know you can buy them on Amazon. That's where I got this one. And then be amazed how much grease these things take. Normally 15 to 20 pumps per wheel bearing. So you don't want to pump it all into one area. You want to pump it about 5 times and spin it, so that way you're sure the grease is getting all the way around. So there's 10.
10 pumps.
You can hear it. It's coming out somewhere, but I don't see it yet. It's starting to come out. Oh, there we go. So over here you can see the grease starts coming out.
Yeah.
Once you're at that point, now you know your bearing's full of grease. And you can just put it all back together. Now you got a greased wheel bearing instead of a thin coat of grease.
Awesome.